Welcome to another scaffolding software iScaf tutorial. View and share your iScaf drawings using the A360 app. Upload your iScaf drawings to the cloud and open them with the A360 app on your mobile device. This example shows the operation on an iPhone. Your drawings can be stored in different folders. Tap to open the folder, then tap on your drawing to open it. The drawing is open initially showing the 2D plan view. On the plan drawing, use a single finger to pan and use two fingers at the same time to zoom in and zoom out. Click on the bottom left icon to change to the 3D view. Select 3D views. Exit the menu. Now you can view your full 3D scaffold design, and your finger gestures have now changed for greater flexibility. Use two fingers to zoom, pan, and rotate, and one finger to orbit around your 3D drawing at a wide angle. Double tap if you want to perform a closer orbit. Let's now look at the markup feature. Tap on the markup icon. Tap on the draw line icon and draw. You can tap on the text icon and annotate your drawing with additional text. Use the measure distance icon to measure distances. Select measure type. Select the first point and the second point, and your distance is displayed. Finally, one of the best features is the ability to share drawings by email to any device online by clicking on the share icon. Select email and type in the email address to share your drawing. Thank you for viewing some of the features of the A360 app by Autodesk together with iScaf drawings.